Next is the managerial grid theory, developed Black and Mountains in early 96. Consists of two behavioral dimensions, concern for people and concern for production. That is the two dimensions. Managerial grid identify the types of leadership style based upon this dimension. According to these dimensions, the leadership style is identified. Grid has 9 possible gradients or degrees associated with each dimensions. There is one diagram in that the x-axis is from 1 to 9, the concern for production. Then y-axis from 1 to 9, concern for people. Then 1.1 means impoverished management style. Impoverished management style means x-axis 1 and y-axis 1. That is low concern for production and low concern for people. That is 1.1 impoverished management style. Here the manager delegate and disappear. Management and a lazy approach. Here manager is the lazy approach. Delegate and disappear. The manager shows that a low concern for both people and production. Manager shows a low concern for both people and production. That is 1.1. Maximum is 9. He or she avoids getting into trouble. Manager always avoids getting into trouble. His main concern is not to be held responsible for any mistakes. Manager think that things are going like this, not to make any mistakes. This is the impoverished management style. That is, the manager take minimum effort, avoid as much as work possible, no concern for production or people, no concern for product. That is 1.1. The second style is 1.2, authority compliance management style. 1.2 is the authority compliance management style. Second style is the 1.2 authority compliance management. Here referred as task management. This is referred as task management. High concern for production, low concern for people, including elimination of people. Here in this type of leadership style, the manager always think high concern for production, low concern for people. He doesn't think the people, only production. High concern for production and low concern for people. Otherwise, produce and perish. The leadership style. Manager solely focus on the production and disregard for the needs of the workers. Manager always concentrated in production and disregard the needs of the workers. No concentration on the people, only concentrated on the production. That is the authority compliance management. It is referred as task management. High concern for production and low concern for people, including elimination of people. Manager think that elimination of people, only high concern for production. Similar to autocratic style, only production, no concern about the people. That is the second style, 1.2 authority compliance management style. Then third one is 1.3, that is country club management. Third one is the country club management. Here manager shows care and concern for feeling comfort and needs. comfortable and friendly environment. Here manager shows more concern for the people. At the same time, no concern for production. Manager only concern for the people. Manager shows care and concern for feeling, comfort and needs. The second one is only concern for production. The third one is only concern for people. First one is no concern, no production. Then manager shows care and concern for feeling, comfort, needs a comfortable and friendly environment. Always the workers with a friendly environment. Manager motivates the people to do their job without putting much pressure on them. Manager motivates the people to do their job. Main aim is the concern for people, not the concern for production. Then 1.4 is the middle road management style. Middle road management style. Here medium concern for production and medium concern for people. Here manager give importance the medium concern for production and medium concern for people, not higher or lower. Both dimension, concern for people and concern for production, medium. Tries to compromise and balance the two dimensions. Manager tries to compromise and balance the two dimensions. Then fifth one is 1.5 team management. Maximum concern for production and for maximum concern for people. That is the team management. Maximum concern for production and maximum concern for people are committed to task and leader is committed to people. Both the concern of production and both the concern for people. High production and here high production and high people. Team leadership. The manager pays high concern to both the people and production. Manager pays attention to both the people and production. Motivation is high. Manager encourages the teamwork and commitment among the employees. Here management encourages the teamwork and commitment among the employees. This style emphasizes making employees feel a part of the company. This team management style emphasizes making the employees feel part of the company and involving them in understanding the organizational purpose and determining production needs. Here manager motivates the workers maximum production and maximum concern for people. Encourage the teamwork and commitment among the employees. This style emphasizes making employees feel part of the company. Manager aim is making the employees feel part of the company and involving them in understanding the organizational purpose and determining the production needs. So is the maximum concern for production and for people. People are committed to task and leader is committed to people. This is the managerial grid. 5 leadership style. First one is impoverished leadership style. Low concern for people, low concern for production. Second one is authority compliance management style. Here high concern for production, low concern for people, only production. Third one is country club management. High concern for people and low concern for production. Fourth one is middle road management. Medium concern for production, medium concern for people. Then fifth one is team management. Here maximum production, maximum concern for production and maximum concern for people. Next is the situational leadership. The fifth theory is situational leadership theory. Here peoples become leaders not only because of their attributes and their personality but also because of the various situational factors and interaction between the group.